So for number 13, so find dy over dx and simplify the result. So for number 13, y is equals to arc sine squared x minus 2x plus 2 square root of 1 minus x squared multiplied by arc sine of x. So we know that the derivative of arc sine, so we have arc sine is just equals to 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared du over dx. And then our u here is just equals to x. So similarly for arc sine of x, so arc sine, so for the second term, we have arc sine. So the derivative is just like the first term, so 1 all over 1 all over square root of 1 minus u squared and du over dx. So our u here is just equals to x. So let's now solve. So we have y prime is just equals to x. So we have a bracket. So derivative of arc sine squared x. So arc sine squared x is just like this. So sine squared x is just like this. Arc sine of x raised to the power of 2. So we'll just treat like that so that we can differentiate. So we have 2 multiplied by arc sine. So just copy arc sine. So 2 multiply by, so just copy arc sine of x. So arc sine, so 2 minus 1 is just equals to 1. So arc sine of x, so derivative inside is derivative of arc sine of x. So 1 all over. So square root of 1 minus, so u is just equals to x. So it is squared, so x squared, so d over dx. So d over dx of x is just equals to 1. So close bracket, so plus, so multiplication rule for differentiation, so just copy arc sine squared x, so derivative of x is just equals to 1, so minus, so derivative of 2x is just equals to 2, so plus, so we'll just copy 2 square root of 1, so just copy 2 square root of 1 minus x squared first. So we have derivative of arc sine of x is just equals to 1 all over. So square root of, so 1 minus, so u squared. So what is our u here is just equals to x. So x squared. So d over dx. So d over dx of x is just equals to 1. So similarly, multiplication rule of differentiation. So we'll add. So we have plus. So So we have arc sine of x. So just copy arc sine of x. We have arc sine of x. Derivative of 2. So we have 2 multiplied by 1 minus x squared raised to the power of 1 half. So we have derivative of that is just equals to 2 times 1 half. Copy inside 1 minus x squared. So derivative, so 1 half minus 1 is just equals to negative 1 half. So derivative inside is negative 2x. So we'll now simplify this one. So we'll cancel this one, cancel this one. So let's get back here. So we have uh, y prime. So we have y prime is equals to x multiply by, so we'll just simply simplify for this one. So we have 2x arc sine of x all over square root of 1 minus x squared plus arc sine squared of x So minus 2. So we have this one. For the third term, we will cancel this. Square root of 1 minus x squared. So we have 2. So plus 2. So plus. So we'll go to the final term. We have arc sine of x. So we have arc sine of x plus arc. So plus negative 2x. Negative 2x. So negative 2x arc sine of x. So we have a negative exponent. So uh, bring down that term. So we have square root of 1 minus x squared. So let's simplify this one. So we have y prime. So we have y prime. So combine similar terms. So negative 2 plus 2 will be cancelled because it will 0. So this term here and this term can be simplified. So positive 2x arc sine of x all over square root of 1 minus x squared, then minus itself is just equals to 0. So this also will be cancelled. So the remaining will be arc sine squared x. Arc sine squared x. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So our answer is here is y prime is just equals to arc sine squared x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.